I'm gonna take this shit. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sin, and today we have something a little different. Today I'm going to be doing my first makeup tutorial for a Valentine's Day look that I came up with a few days ago. I got a lot of compliments in person and online from you guys, so I wanted to make sure that I made this tutorial for anybody else who would like to achieve this beautiful, glittery, glamorous Valentine's Day look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. If you guys are new here, I usually have gaming content. So basically, I'm a streamer. I get a lot of questions about my makeup, and recently I posted a few pictures of this Valentine's Day look. If you would like to see what I do for my face, then I can make another video. I'm gonna go in with just a light base color. I'm just gonna cover my whole eye up into my eyebrow for that. I don't do cut crease and all that because I don't really know how. Like, I've never done it before and I need to practice, so maybe I can challenge myself to that. All right, great. Now that we look dead, we can go ahead and add some color. So today for the pinks, we're gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. This comes with a lot of colors. I bought it at Walgreens and I think it was like $10 or so. I got it last year for some Halloween makeup. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in with this lavender right here for the bottom. Again, just doing a light base because if there's any see-through areas, you just want that to look a little bit colored. This is glitter, so it's not gonna be like solid glitter, and I'm sure they make products like that, but this is press-on glitter. I'm just putting that all over my lid, and I'm going a little bit close to my eyebrow just for a little bit of a glowy, just for a little bit of effect later. And I'm bringing it up to the edge of my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this darker pink color right here, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. See, the pigment on this isn't that bad. Like, I thought it would be a little bit less, but it's okay. A little bit of fallout here and there because you know it's $10. What can I say? It's a steal, honey. I don't think I've blended so much in my entire life because, like, I don't do shit. When I usually do my makeup, I don't go all out like this. Ah! You know, if there's a lot, I try to work it down into the outer V of my eye. Don't worry about, you know, this general area. I know there's like there might be like little spotty stuff, but we'll fix that later. I really, really want to get my hands on a James Charles Artistry palette from Morphe. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with this bright ass fuchsia looking thing. It's like a Jeffree Star pink. And I'm gonna put that on the bottom of my lid. Oh yes. Ooh. I don't know what faces you guys make when you're doing makeup, but I'm discovering mine because it's the first time I'm actually filming it. I'm one of those girls with tiny eyelashes, and it makes me really depressed. So obviously today we are going to be using fake lashes. Trust me, lashes just bring the whole thing together. I don't want to put it on the inner part of my lid because that part's going to be a lighter pink with the glitter. So I'm just like making it really pronounced on the center and outer part of my eyelid. Oh, we got some fallout. It's fine. We'll just brush it away. Also, like, I keep forgetting to tap my brush because that could be my fault. I'm kind of a dunce. Oh yeah. Don't worry about blending this just yet. I kind of want to get more color on there. I'm gonna go back in with like the mauve-y type pink. And just go over my crease again just to really define that color. Look at that. It's a little bit more purpley and in depth. We've got that sorted. All right, now we're gonna move on to the glitter, which is the fun part. I'm actually gonna use this pressed glitter palette from Amazon. It's $10. It's 15 ultra pigmented glitter shadows, and it comes like this. To put this on, you're gonna need some glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue, when I first tried doing swatches, what I did was I grabbed a brush and my Mario Badescu rose water, or you can use pretty much any water. Spray your brush and then just like swirl it around and tap it on without, you know, clumping. It's a little difficult, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I've never used adhesive before. This one's by Urban Decay and it's called Bondage Weightless Makeup Adhesive. I borrowed this from my sister because I mentioned that I had a glitter palette and I guess she had this. And I'm gonna take a flat-headed type of brush and just dab it into the glitter and like place it on my eye. That's the only way that I think would work. I'm gonna start on the inside of my eye and work my way out because it's gonna be progressively darker. For the inside part of my eye, I'm gonna use this color. It's sort of like a lilac. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. Scared. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? I've never done this before. Why does this brush look so like, it looks like Elmer's glue, like I'm scared. Dude, okay, I'm only gonna put a tiny bit, like I'm literally brushing off the excess on the tube because I don't want like it to take away. Oh good, it goes on clear. Ahala. All right, let's get the glitter on. Pat, 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 pat. Oh, a little clump there, but that's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. I don't want to go too high above my eyelid, but I do want to show that I have glitter. I'm trying to be really precise about this, but already it looks pretty damn good. Again, if you guys have any clumps, just try and pat it down. Pat it out, girl. Next, for the middle of the eye, I'm gonna go in with this little baby pink glitter. I absolutely adore it. It was basically the whole inspiration for the look. It seems like I had a good amount of time to get the glitter on with the glue, drying and all that. So, oh, here we go. We're just gonna do one little part first. It doesn't take off that much color, which I'm pretty surprised. I was very worried that the glue would take off a lot of the color, which is why I just like packed it on. But again, that could be because I packed it on. So do it anyways. Oh, this is such a cute color. It's so cute because it's like not too out there. Because, I mean, it's glitter, but it's not too out there of a glitter color. So that's why I wanted to cover most of the eyelid with this, or at least the middle focal point of it. Because it's like, honey, look at me. Look, that's so cute. I did kind of go over very lightly of the color I did before, just to kind of work in a sort of gradient look instead of just like having it be like, hi, I'm a stripe. Okay. Towards the outer part of my eye, I'm kind of doing a sort of angle because I do want to have the glitter kind of angle out in this motion. And last for the glitter, I'm gonna go in with this fuchsia color. Now the lighter glitters look a little bit more blended in compared to a darker colored glitter like this, because if you don't pack it on right and you leave a lot of space, it just like, and it's gonna look like you have just like a bunch of dots on your eyelid. So I'll show you how to pack it on real nice, and then we're gonna go over it with that fuchsia color again, just to ensure that it looks blended. Again, see, like I said, you see how it kind of just looks like dots up close. If you see it really, really close, it'll kind of just look like a bunch of dots, which I personally, I don't like that look. I want it to look ultra glamorous. So that's why I put a lot. And again, I am going over very lightly over the previous color because I don't want it to be like super stripy, even though this is like the darkest color of them, and it's gonna kind of just like pop out more than anything else. Like I'm just putting a little bit like kind of like you would with like your crease color, just to make it sort of flow. The bottom, you shouldn't like have to do it super tight at the bottom, because I'm gonna go over it with eyeliner. If you want to go further than this, you can, but I'm gonna leave it like this because I feel like this look is pretty dramatic already. And when I go over the edge with that fuchsia color again, it's just gonna make it look even better. Go back with that fuchsia color and just kind of pat it to give your glitter a little bit of oomph, to make the edge look more solid. You're just kind of filling in the blanks here, because again, I just don't like that freckled kind of glitter look. Next, we're gonna work on the bottom part of the eye, which I always use eyeshadow. I never use a pencil because I like it to look more smoked. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that lilac color again that we all know and love. I'm just using a small flathead brush. Just put it on the bottom of my eye, and I'm really gonna bring that down. Like I'm gonna go all out with that thing, because I want the lighter color to show through a lot. I look like I'm gonna tell someone's fortune. Next, I'm gonna take that fuchsia color again with a pencil brush, and I'm not gonna bring this down as much as I brought the lilac down. I'm gonna just put it closer to my waterline and just let the brush work it. And I'm just gonna bring it out and make sure it connects to the pink on my lid. And for the last part of the eye, I'm actually gonna go in and take this purple for a little bit more depth of the waterline, because I do like a dark eye. All right, now it's time for some liner. I always use liquid liner. I don't trust any other liner. I feel like it's the easiest to work with and it's the darkest. Today I'm using Revlon Color Stay Skinny in Blackout. This was, I believe, $7 at Walgreens, and it works pretty well. So I'm not gonna do a wing, but you guys totally can, to make it more dramatic. I just find it so frustrating to do a wing because I can never get them to match. And with a look like this, I don't wanna go over with a wipe because it's gonna take off all the glitter. So if you want a wing and you're confident and you know how to do a wing very well, do it. Go for it and show me what you did, girl, because I need your help. I just sort of bring it out in a straight line, kind of far, and then like I draw towards my eye to connect it to the corner. That's how I roll. Next, I'm gonna go in and do my bottom lashes because I feel like a look isn't finished unless you do your bottom lashes. Plus, my bottom lashes are super skinny and they're very, very light because I have very light hair. This ain't natural, by the way. I'm gonna go in with They're Real from Benefit. I really like this mascara. I actually got it as part of their birthday gift at Sephora. So it was free, but I love it. Just wiggle it in.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Do my top lashes just to make sure I get the color. We are gonna use fake lashes, and usually for stream I'm too lazy to do mascara and then put lashes over it because like I'm gonna see. If you're going on a date with this look, you want this guy to think that these are your lashes, girl. Oh, she's got beautiful lashes, and it's like, yes honey, I do. So for lashes, I'm just using Demi Wispies that I got at Target by Ardell. All right, let's plop ya. All right, finally, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wipe to clean this up. If there's ever like a precise area that I need, I take the bottom end of my tweezers, I wrap the towel to get in there precisely, and really helps out because my finger sometimes is just not small enough for those little areas. I don't really have highlighters that I bought because they're highlighters. I just have a palette by Carly Bible and BH Cosmetics that I got at Tilly's. I think it was $19.99. But she has a bunch of highlighters here on the bottom. I'm gonna take this shit. I'm gonna take this very pinky shade and I'm gonna put that under my brow. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera. All right, so what I did off camera was I grabbed the highlighter that I put under my brow and put it in the tear ducts of my eyes. Give it a little bit more pop. Now for lips with such a dramatic look, I wanna do something very simple. But you know, it's a holiday, and if you guys wanna go all out, that's completely up to you. You guys can totally rock a red lipstick or like a pink lipstick. My choice of hair already turns heads, and then they're gonna see my eyes and they're gonna be like, whoa. I'm not trying to give people heart attacks out there. My all-time favorite Kylie Jenner lip kit and Candy K. I love this. I use it all the time. I think it's really versatile. And now to set the look, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. My friend Rouge introduced me to this stuff, and wow. Make sure to get some good emphasis on your eyes, and since you have glitter on your eyes, don't open it. Don't open your eyes until you think it's actually dry. I really do love this pressed glitter palette, and it's only $10 again on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. There you have it. This is the complete look. You can wear it anytime. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and become a sinner today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to try this, if you have this palette, or if you have any questions about this look. Thank you so much for watching my first makeup video ever.